What is up guys, my name is Tala and you're watching Gadgets Sphere. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the things which I love in the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5i. So as you all know, I have the laptop and I have reviewed it. I have made 2 videos about this laptop. So in case you are thinking of buying this laptop, you should definitely check those videos also. But first of all, let's talk about this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you the things which I love. And the number one thing, the best thing which I love about this laptop is the display. Man, the display in this laptop is absolutely insane. We have a 15.6 inch display which is full HD plus in resolution, so it is not like a 14 inch display. It's a big display, and the most important thing is the brightness. This display gets very bright, so even using outdoors and like using it in hotels where light is coming, and you know the other stuff, like if you're using it outdoors, the display will be very good, very well legible, and you can easily read the text which is written in the display. Now let's talk about the keyboard, because the keyboard is also one of my favorite things in this laptop. So the keyboard here in this laptop is backlit, which means is if you are using this laptop at night, you want to see the letters like A, B, C, D and all the other stuff written in the keyboard, you can easily see it. So that's also a plus point according to me. Now let's talk about how the keyboard actually feels in typing. So I have tried three laptops in terms of typing experience, and I have tried the MacBook Air 2019. I've also tried the MacBook Pro 2020 and this laptop. And to be honest, the keyboard in this Slim 5i is not as good as the MacBook Pro 2020, but it comes really close to the MacBook Air 2019, because yeah, it's just like really close. I think Lenovo has done a very good job in terms of the keyboard. It feels really good in terms of typing, but MacBook Pro 2020 keyboard is just very tactile. I mean, when you type a letter, the clicky sound which comes from the MacBook keyboard is very little, but it is just very satisfactory. That's just what I think. I don't know. I'm not saying this laptop is bad. It's absolutely not. It's one of the best laptops you can buy in terms of the keyboard, the display. Now, the third thing is also one of the most underrated thing, and that, my friend, is the speakers. Because hey, speaker is also one of the most important parts of a laptop. You should definitely watch reviews about it.
It's hard for me to let go, but I think that I'm finally feeling good again. So hard cause I loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself.
And there are very few people reviewing the speaker of a laptop or other stuff related to audio, but I'm here to help you. Please subscribe if you like it. Now let's talk about the speaker. The speaker of this laptop is really good, so you can turn the volume from 0 to 100%, and the loudest volume which you can get from this laptop, like the 100% one, is just very good, that like, you know what, you can even party with it. You don't need any other Bluetooth speaker or any other stuff like that. It's that good. The treble is very good. I will give a big thumbs up. The bass is just okay, I would say, and the lows and mids are also good. So yeah, the bass is not that bassy, because obviously it's a laptop speaker, you're not going to get that very bassy sound, but still it just gets the job done. It feels absolutely awesome. Like listening sound, and especially musics of Indian artists like Ajit Singh, just feels absolutely great in this laptop. So that's just my opinion. What do you think about this laptop? Tell me in the comments below. And there's one more question there's one more question I want to ask you guys, that is, do you want the comparison of this laptop with any other laptop, or you want some other kind of video of this laptop only and you're thinking of buying it? Just comment down below, because I will look at all the comments and answer them. And that's it. If you like, subscribe. Please subscribe. If you like it, a subscription will just mean a day for me, and if you will like, that will be just even better. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.